Learn to relax at home. It'll protect your health and your appearance and reduce your stress. But what often happens, have you noticed this? Often people don't come in on Mondays. Why? They were flogging themselves hard on the weekend. They weren't taking a rest. They were doing too much. They were pushing it too hard. They work hard all week, then they hit the weekend, they go hard again. Sometimes cutting out a bit of relaxing time at home on the weekends, at night, is good for us. I don't mean goofing off, doom scrolling, watching stupid stuff on TV or whatever. I'm talking about actual relaxing. Maybe it's reading, maybe it's sleeping. Relaxing at home is part of this marathon we have in work, where we've got 7 days to cover. 2 of them, hopefully, weekends are off, and then 5 days. But what do you do on those 2 days off? If you're actually flogging yourself on those 2 days, what's the point of having the weekend? Find time to relax. It'll be better for your health and better for your stress.